Right now, while you're watching this video, someone just hit their first $100,000 month using AI tools you've probably never heard of. And they're doing it without a single employee on payroll. I'm about to reveal the 12 AI tools that are quietly building million-dollar businesses for ordinary entrepreneurs who understand one critical truth. We're living through the greatest wealth transfer in human history. Money is flowing from those stuck in the old way of doing business to those who've cracked the AI code. But here's what nobody's telling you. This window is rapidly closing. Every month that passes, more people discover these tools. Every quarter, the advantage diminishes. The massive profits exist because we're still early, but that's changing fast. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact AI tools that are replacing entire departments, automating complex workflows, and generating revenue 24/7 without human intervention. But I need to warn you, if you're not ready to think differently about business, this isn't for you. See, most entrepreneurs are still trapped in the old paradigm. They think success means hiring more people, managing bigger teams, and working longer hours. Meanwhile, a small group of visionary business owners are using AI to build what I call ghost empires, businesses that generate massive revenue with skeleton crews. The difference isn't intelligence or luck. It's understanding that the future belongs to directors, not doers. While everyone else is executing tasks, these entrepreneurs are orchestrating AI systems that work around the clock. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're not building with AI right now, you're not just missing out, you're being left behind. Your competitors are already using these tools to move faster, serve more customers, and capture market share while you're still doing things manually. Tool number 1, Fathom. Let me start with a tool that's saving entrepreneurs 20+ hours per week while making them millions. Fathom. Lizzie runs a consulting firm that went from $200K to $1.2 million annually, and she credits Fathom as her secret weapon. Here's why. While her competitors are drowning in meeting notes and follow-ups, Lizzie's AI co-pilot is capturing every insight, action item, and revenue opportunity automatically. Fathom records, transcribes, and creates intelligent summaries of every meeting. But here's the breakthrough. It doesn't just take notes. It identifies opportunities, tracks commitments, and even analyzes conversation patterns to predict which deals will close. Lizzie discovered that she was missing 100,000 plus in opportunities simply because she was too focused on note-taking to catch crucial buying signals. Now, Fathom handles the documentation while she focuses on relationship building and deal closing. But here's where it gets revolutionary. Lizzie's Fathom system learned her clients' communication patterns. It now alerts her when a client uses language that historically preceded contract cancellations, giving her a 72-hour head start to address concerns. This early warning system has saved her $300,000 in retained business this year alone. The real power comes from organizational intelligence. Imagine having every conversation in your business documented and searchable. Lizzie can ask, "What did our biggest client say about expansion plans?" and get instant answers. She's building a knowledge base that becomes more valuable every day. This isn't just productivity, it's competitive advantage. While others scramble to remember what was discussed, Lizzie's team operates with perfect information recall. Her proposals now reference specific client concerns mentioned in meetings 6 months ago, creating an impression of exceptional attention to detail that closes deals. Tool number 2, Zapier. Tool number 2 is building invisible empires. Zapier's AI-powered automation. Meet Mario, who built a $25 million app development company with just 8 employees. His secret? He automated the entire delivery system using Zapier. When clients pay $8,000 for a custom app, here's what happens automatically. Zapier captures the payment, sends an onboarding survey, feeds responses to AI development tools, generates the app, sends it for client review, handles revisions, and delivers the final product. The entire process runs 24/7 without human intervention. Mario isn't just saving time, he's created a business that scales infinitely. While competitors need teams of developers, project managers, and coordinators, Mario's AI-powered assembly line handles everything. The breakthrough insight? Most businesses are built on repetitive processes that humans execute poorly. Zapier eliminates human error, works continuously, and scales without additional costs. Mario's automation handles customer onboarding, project management, billing, and even customer success follow-ups. He's essentially created a $25 million vending machine that dispenses custom software. Tool number 3, Gumloop. While Zapier automates workflows, Gumloop creates AI that makes intelligent decisions. Jenny runs a real estate empire that processes 500+ leads monthly with 0 sales staff. Gumloop's visual workflow builder doesn't just route leads. It analyzes buyer behavior, predicts purchase probability, and customizes follow-up sequences automatically. Her AI system evaluates property preferences, financial capacity, and engagement patterns to prioritize hot prospects. It schedules viewings, sends personalized property recommendations, and even negotiates initial offers. The result? Jenny closes 40% more deals than competitors while working 30 hours less per week. Her AI doesn't just follow rules, it adapts and improves based on market conditions and buyer behavior. Gumloop handles her financial operations too. It processes expenses, reconciles accounts, and flags unusual transactions. What used to require a bookkeeper and office manager now runs automatically with higher accuracy. Tool number 4, Cursor. Here's where things get revolutionary. Cursor is turning non-programmers into software developers overnight. Dave, a marketing consultant with 0 coding experience, built a $500K SaaS product using Cursor. He simply described what he wanted in plain English, and Cursor wrote production-ready code. But here's the real insight. Dave didn't stop at one product. He's now building custom solutions for clients, charging $50,000+ for software that takes him hours to create instead of months. Cursor doesn't just write code, it understands business logic. Dave can say, create a customer portal that integrates with Stripe and sends automated invoices. And Cursor builds it, complete with error handling, security features, and mobile responsiveness. The Microsoft CEO recently predicted that 90% of code will be AI-generated within 12 months. Cursor is leading this revolution, giving entrepreneurs superpowers previously reserved for elite programmers. Tool number 5, NotebookLM. Google's NotebookLM is creating strategic advantages for entrepreneurs who know how to use it. Rob analyzes 50+ investment opportunities monthly for his private equity fund. NotebookLM ingests financial documents, market research, and competitor analysis to generate insights that would take teams of analysts weeks to produce. But Rob's real breakthrough came when he started using NotebookLM for content creation. He fed it years of successful pitch decks, investment memos, and market analyses. Now it generates new investment strategies based on proven patterns. The AI identifies market opportunities, analyzes risk factors, and even suggests negotiation strategies. Rob's fund has achieved 340% better returns since implementing AI-powered analysis. For content creators, NotebookLM analyzes your best-performing content to identify what resonates with audiences. It extracts your unique voice, successful frameworks, and compelling stories to help create new content that converts. Tool number 6, ChatGPT, Deep Research. ChatGPT's Deep Research feature is unlocking hidden networks and opportunities. Lisa wanted to connect with influential podcast hosts to grow her business. Instead of cold outreach, she used Deep Research to map her existing network and identify warm introduction paths. The AI analyzed her social connections, found mutual contacts, and crafted personalized introduction requests. Within 30 days, Lisa secured appearances on 12 high-profile podcasts, generating $200,000 in new business. But Deep Research goes deeper. It analyzes market trends, competitor strategies, and customer behavior patterns to reveal opportunities others miss. Lisa now uses it to identify underserved market segments and develop targeted solutions. The key insight? Information asymmetry creates wealth. While others struggle with incomplete data, Deep Research provides comprehensive market intelligence in minutes. Tool number 7, Claude excels where other AI models fall short. Accurate analysis without hallucination. Mike's marketing agency uses Claude to analyze customer data and generate insights that drive million-dollar campaigns. When other AI tools provided generic advice, Claude identified specific psychological triggers and behavioral patterns. Claude analyzed 10,000 customer surveys to reveal that their highest-value clients shared 3 specific characteristics that weren't obvious from surface data. This insight allowed Mikes to target lookalike audiences, increasing client acquisition by 400%. The breakthrough? Claude doesn't just process information. It finds meaningful correlations that humans miss. It's like having a team of PhD analysts working 24/7 to uncover hidden patterns in your business data. Tool No. 8. Rivio transforms customer conversations into revenue opportunities. Kevin's software company increased sales conversion by 280% using Rivio's conversation intelligence. The AI analyzes chat interactions in real time, suggesting responses that address objections and guide prospects toward purchase decisions. But Rivio's real power is learning from successful conversations. It identifies what top performers say, when they say it, and how they handle objections. This knowledge becomes available to every team member instantly. Kevin's AI now handles qualification, objection handling, and deal progression automatically. His sales team focuses on relationship building while AI handles the tactical conversation management. Tool number 9. Chataid eliminates the biggest bottleneck in growing businesses: information access. Emma's 50-person company was drowning in Slack questions and knowledge requests. Chataid monitors every conversation and provides instant answers from company documents, past discussions, and institutional knowledge. The result? Zero time wasted on repetitive questions. New employees get instant access to company wisdom. Projects move faster because information flows freely. Emma's favorite feature? Chataid learns from every interaction, becoming smarter about company processes and culture. It's like having the most knowledgeable employee available 24/7 to every team member. Tool number 10. Iconicon generates hundreds of winning advertisements from single prompts. Jimmy runs a digital marketing agency that manages $2 million in monthly ad spend. Icon analyzes competitor creatives, brand guidelines, and audience preferences to generate unlimited ad variations. While competitors test 5-10 creatives per campaign, Jimmy tests 100 plus. Icon identifies winning patterns, kills underperformers, and scales winners automatically. His clients see 350% better return on ad spend. The breakthrough insight? Creative fatigue kills campaigns. Icon ensures fresh, engaging content continuously, maintaining campaign performance while competitors' ads decline. Tool number 11. Atlas turns every lead into immediate conversations. Patricia's real estate business increased closings by 400% using Atlas for instant lead response. When prospects submit inquiries, Atlas calls within seconds, qualifies interest, and schedules appointments. The AI handles objections, answers questions, and even follows up with no-shows. Patricia never loses deals to delayed response times because Atlas is always available. Speed to lead determines success. Atlas ensures prospects connect with your business immediately before they contact competitors. Tool number 12, N8. For sophisticated businesses, N8N provides unlimited automation possibilities. Carlos built a $5 million e-commerce empire using N8N to automate everything from inventory management to customer service. The open-source platform connects 500-plus applications with custom logic and AI decision-making. N8N monitors customer behavior, predicts purchase patterns, and automates personalized marketing sequences. It manages supplier relationships, optimizes pricing, and even handles customer service escalations. Carlos's business runs like a perfectly orchestrated machine. Every process is automated, optimized, and continuously improving through AI learning. The Millionaire mindset shift. Here's what separates AI millionaires from everyone else. They understand that we're transitioning from the age of human labor to the age of human direction. The entrepreneurs building million-dollar businesses aren't the ones doing more work. They're the ones directing AI systems to do the work better, faster, and continuously. While others hire employees to solve problems, AI entrepreneurs deploy systems. While others scale through human resources, AI entrepreneurs scale through intelligent automation. But here's what keeps me awake at night. This advantage is temporary. Right now, most businesses are still operating manually. Most entrepreneurs don't understand AI capabilities. Most companies are vulnerable to AI-powered competitors. But this is changing rapidly. Every month, awareness grows. Every quarter, competition increases. The massive profit margins exist because we're still early. The entrepreneurs making millions with AI today moved while others hesitated. They saw opportunity while others saw complexity. They built while others planned. You have a choice to make right now. You can continue operating your business the traditional way, hiring people for every task, managing complex teams, and competing on manual processes. You'll work harder for smaller margins while AI-powered competitors capture market share. Or you can recognize that you're witnessing the birth of the AI economy. You can choose to be among the first wave of AI entrepreneurs who build intelligent, scalable, profitable businesses. The tools are here. The opportunities are massive. The only question is whether you'll act while the advantage exists. In 12 months, there will be two types of entrepreneurs: those who embraced AI when it mattered, and those who wished they had. Which will you be? If you're serious about building wealth in the AI economy, subscribe and hit notifications, because next week I'm revealing the complete AI business blueprint that shows you exactly how to implement these tools step by step. And if this video opened your eyes to what's possible, share it with someone who needs to see the future. The AI revolution is happening with or without you, but the rewards go to those who move first. Your millionaire roadmap starts now. The only question is how fast you're ready to build.